What if I told you that starting an AI automation agency in 2026 is easier than ever, if you do it the right way? Not with guesswork. Not with random tools. But with a system that works like clockwork. And the crazy part? Most people are doing it completely wrong. They jump in, buy fancy AI tools, and wonder why nothing sticks. So let's fix that today. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Yeah, $100, from one client, one setup, in under 24 hours. This video is your shortcut to building an AI automation agency the smart way. One that prints results for clients. And actually, pays you monthly. So, let's start with a question. Why are so many AI agencies failing before they even begin? Simple, they start backwards. They pick tools before they pick a problem. They build before they brand. And they sell before they systemize. We're going to flip that upside down. You're going to learn the exact steps to start right. No fluff, no tech overload, no fake hype. Just clarity, speed, and results. Sound good? Cool. But first, I drop AI money-making tools and agency strategies every single week. If you want to stay ahead of everyone else, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell right now. Alright, let's build. Step 1. Understand the opportunity. In 2026, automation isn't optional. Businesses are drowning in repetitive tasks. Emails, reports, leads, scheduling, follow-ups, all time eaters. And AI automation is the lifeboat. Companies are begging for it. But here's the catch. They don't know who to trust. They don't want AI experiments, they want results, fast. That's your gap. The world doesn't need another chatbot builder. It needs automation architects. Builders who connect tools to solve real business pain. That's where you come in. And that's how you win. So let's build your foundation right now. Step 2. Mindset shift. You're not a freelancer anymore. You're not trading hours for dollars. You're building systems that print results and income. Think automation as a service. Clients pay you monthly because their automation keeps running. You don't chase projects, you create retainers. You don't chase clients, they stick for results. That's the new model. Ready to build it? Then step 3. Pick your niche. Choose an industry where automation actually matters. Think real estate, marketing, e-commerce, service businesses. They all have repetitive tasks screaming to be automated. Look for manual pain. Because where there's pain, there's profit. And where there's repetition, there's room for automation. Now, step 4. Craft your irresistible offer. Don't sell AI stuff, sell outcomes. Sell, I save you 10 hours a week. Sell, I double your lead conversions. That's what clients buy. Outcomes, not algorithms. Your pitch is simple. I help businesses save time and grow profits using AI automation. That's it. No tech speak. No buzzwords. Just clarity. Now, step 5. Your toolkit. You don't need to code. You don't need to build AI models. You just need to connect the right platforms. Tools like Zapier, Make, ChatGPT, Notion, Airtable, and custom dashboards. Combine them to deliver something clients can see. Visual results. Tangible value. That's your product. Step 6. Get your first client. This is where most people freeze. They overthink it. They wait for the perfect moment. You don't need perfect. You need proof. Create a micro-pilot offer. Offer to automate one task for a client, free or low cost. Use that to get your testimonial. That's your golden ticket. One success story is worth 10 sales calls. And once you deliver value, upsell the full automation package. It's that simple. Deliver once, earn forever. That's the leverage game. Liking this so far? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. We go deeper every week. Alright, let's move on. Step 7. Price it right. You're not selling hours, you're selling transformation. Start with a setup fee. Then a monthly retainer for maintenance. Example, $500 setup, $300 monthly. Easy entry, recurring income. Keep it clean and predictable. Step 8. Document your process. Every automation you build, record it. Build templates. Build repeatability. That's how you scale. Step 9. Automate your own agency. Use the same systems internally. Client onboarding? Automated. Proposal sending? Automated. Payments? Automated. You'll be shocked how much time you save automating your automation business. Step 10. Scaling strategy. Once you have results and templates, hire or outsource. Build a small team of implementers. You handle strategy and sales. They handle delivery. That's how you go from solo to scalable. From $500 gigs to $5,000 retainers. From client chasing to client choosing. That's where freedom begins. Let's talk mistakes, so you avoid them. Mistake 1. Chasing shiny AI tools. Pick a stack, master it, stick with it. Mistake 2. Overpromising. Deliver one high-value outcome, not 10 half-done ones. Mistake 3. Underpricing. Clients pay for value, not time. Charge confidently. Mistake 4. Ignoring marketing. You can't sell what no one sees. Create content. Show your wins. Show results, not hype. Post short clips, carousels, and case studies. Make noise where your clients hang out. That's how they find you. Mistake 5. Doing it alone. Join automation communities. Learn, share, grow. You'll move 10 times faster. Let's map your first 90 days. Week 1 to 2. Pick niche, build offer, test tools. Week 3 to 4. Run your first pilot, deliver results. Week 5 to 8. Onboard first paid clients. Week 9 to 12. Build templates, scale delivery, automate your backend. Simple roadmap. Real results. You follow it, you'll be profitable before the quarter ends. And that's not hype. That's math. You save clients 20 hours a month, they'll happily pay you $500 plus. Multiply that by 5 clients. That's $2,500 monthly recurring. Do it right, it compounds. Now, let's talk the tool I teased. The one that made me $100 in one day. Ready? It's a workflow tool that connects AI prompts to actions. It does the heavy lifting while you sleep. I used it to automate lead follow-ups for a client. They saved 10 hours a week. Paid me instantly. That's when I knew, this model works. I'll link it below for you to explore. And remember, you don't need to copy me, you just need to start. Start simple. Start today. Perfection kills progress. Speed builds success. Because 2026 is the year automation goes mainstream. Businesses that adapt will win big. And you can be the one helping them. You can build the bridge between chaos and clarity. You can be the reason someone gets their time back. That's real value. That's why you're here. And if you've watched this far, you're already ahead. You're not just curious, you're committed. And that's rare. Most people stop at the idea. You're still here, ready to execute. That's your edge. Now lean into it. Build your first system. Test it. Show results. Get paid. Refine it. Repeat it. Every great agency started with one client. One problem solved. One success story told. And that's where your story starts too. With one system. One client. One result. Do that right, and the rest follows. AI isn't the future anymore. It's the present. But automation mastery, that's the edge. You're not competing with AI. You're competing with people who don't know how to use it. You're becoming the connector, the translator, the builder of efficiency. That's your title now, automation architect. And in 2026, that title prints money. So what's stopping you? You've got the roadmap. You've got the strategy. You've got the tools. All that's left is action. Start today, not next week. Because in business, speed wins. And those who start early, dominate later. Like this video? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. So, make sure you've hit that bell. Let's recap before we wrap. Pick your niche. Solve one painful problem. Deliver one automation that matters. Turn it into a repeatable system. Get testimonials. Charge recurring. Automate your agency. And scale with speed. That's how you win 2026. Don't just watch this video, apply it. Build something today. You'll thank yourself a month from now. You've got this. You're early. You're capable. And you're building the future.